Hello folks, welcome back. It's been a long though. Anyways, today we are with the product from Apple, iPad 9 Gen, also known as iPad 10.2 2021. So today I'm going to do unboxing and share my first impressions. So without wasting any time, it's me Shoy. You're watching DBS. Let's get right into the video.
So this is our iPad's package. Like I said before, it's a 9th gen iPad 10.2 2021 model. Let's pull out our big boy now. Okay. For the thing, let's keep it aside. Underneath it, we have some paperwork, which nobody likes to read it. Still, let me show you what's inside. We have booklets which have a title iPad. Yeah, let's move it aside. Then we have a cable, a charging cable, which is USB Type-C to Lightning, which I wish was like both was USB Type-C. Anyways, let's keep this aside too and move on to our adapter, which I'm not that sure what's the power, like how much watt, but looks slick and by the way nice packaging. So now let's move to our video and let me share my first impressions.
The dimension is 250.6 into 174.1 into 7.5 millimeter. Yeah, I deserve an appreciation for that. By the way, 47 gram the weight. The front side is made up of glass, the back aluminum, and it got aluminum frame too. Not gonna lie, the build quality looks quite impressive. It supports the really cheap Apple stylus and it looks exactly like the previous used iPad. It has the old circle touch ID thing and still uses Lightning, not USB-C. Well, it's fine. And you know what? It works with last year's iPad cases too.
So what?
Shut up. And there's something more interesting. This is the last iPad which has a real headphone jack.
Still not that interesting.
Who the hell let you in? If you didn't have any big emotions for the last year's iPad, this model won't make you say, wow. It would be nice to have less bezels, switch away from Lightning, and to have stereo speakers.
It's fine,
Hello,
bro.
Mr. Apple fanboy. Now let's move to display. It got a 10.2 inch Retina display from Apple. It's LCD and got a 2160p resolution. Its aspect ratio turns out to be 12:9, almost like a square. And this thing can be brightened up to 500 nits. Well, it's not that fun in outdoors. It got an Apple A13 Bionic 7nm plus hexa-core, 2.2 into 2.6 Lightning and 4 into 1.8 Thunder. The GPU, obviously Apple GPU, which is for graphics. No way, my subscribers are nice.
Yeah, what's the GF?
You got two options for storage, a 64GB variant and a 128GB variant. In RAM, there's only a single option, which is 3 gigs. The performance, quite impressive. The A13 upgrade makes it fast enough for most needs and then some. In benchmark tests, it's as fast as an iPhone 11. No surprise since it got the same processor. It's fine for multitasking, gaming and media consumption and doesn't seem to lag.
That's Apple, bro.
Battery life feels largely on daily use so far. Apple keeps leaning on their 10 hours battery life promise, but I find that iPads only last for a day. Oh my god, Garfield, shut up! Just kidding, I love you, bro. About the camera, true colors, nice with the price, nothing more. So it's time to wrap it up. Thanks for coming, bro, and thanks for watching and subscribing. So it's me, Sean, signing out.